Oh baby, we are so close to it coming out. So, let's talk about it. Steam frames have officially landed in America. In Valve's USA warehouses, the first actual shipments of Steam frames are now here. Now, of course, at the end of the day, we don't know exactly when they're going to release. But the fact that they're now in the warehouses, the reports currently are by the end of this month or by at least the end of summer, we're going to see at least the Steam frame out there. I'm still kind of on the fence about the whole, Steam machine, just because I think at this point, unless it's $500 or less, it's just not going to make logical sense if it comes out. Because at this point, I mean, who's going to pay more than $500 for a Steam machine? Maybe $750. I think that could be realistic, but anything above $750 then is just outrageous. It's not powerful enough to be asking for that type of price. But still, Steam frame though is completely different. And get a VR headset. We'll see how that works out. But the VR headset market right now, I mean, you got like the low end, right? You got the MetaQuest series, the MetaQuest 3S. You got the MetaQuest 3, which is not really low end. But then you go all the way up to the PicoFly. You got the HTC versions. You got the Apple Vision Pro. You got whatever Samsung came out with and flopped. Like, you got all these other like high-end ones. So I'm going to be interested to see how this ends up going in the end. According to Steam hardware updates here, they say Steam controller had this happen April 4th, and the announcement was April 27th. But the Steam frame, it looks like they can release now and not have to worry about, like, the price tag being that crazy. Because if they come out with a Steam machine and it's $700, I think a lot of people are still going to buy it. Because, again, the VR headset market is just weird. It's not like, how do I put it? Like, you either are, I'm going to spend the Meta 3S, Quest 3S, or I'm going to go and get the Apple Vision Pro. I feel like that's like the market at this point. I mean, there are people who are kind of like, okay, casual, more Meta Quest 3, whatever. But I feel like the people who get into VR headsets now, they're dedicated. They got the racing sims all set up. They got, some of them probably anime crap. I don't know. But they got, they're really dedicated. They have the whole room set up to VR. They got the green screen behind them. They got the sensors on all four corners of the walls. Like, I don't know. I just feel like it's not as much of a novelist type of thing as it once was. Well, not novelist, like a more like mainstream thing as it once was. But who knows? Maybe the Steam, frame is going to bring that back. With Steam OS on there and a very powerful device, this could get a lot more people interested in it and bring it more to, I feel like, I was going to say a mainframe. A mainstream type of concept. I don't know. And maybe I'm completely wrong. Maybe VR is there. I just don't, based on when I've seen everything, VR doesn't seem like it's there anymore. It was there. It was kind of trending there for the longest time. And then it just went down. Like, it was going up, like the Price is Right. And then, boop, hit the brick wall, came straight down. This is going to be the comeback. I got confidence. Anyway, see you guys next one. Peace out.